In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys another crazy thing that happened to my personal truck. ACM Connector came on and said ACM status is not noticeable. Looked through the wiring and found that someone did crimps. I'll show you what kind of crimps. You guys won't believe this. These kind of crimps. And he basically, whoever this guy was, I mean, didn't heat him, didn't do anything, corroded all the wires down. I had to redo every single wire on the FCUT connector, ACM connector, redo the ACM connector from the back because wires were rotted out. And as you can see down further, right there, wires need to be, all this needs to be split open and redone with Volvo tape. It's a cloth tape. You guys can see the number right there on it. It's a really good compound tape, amazing actually tape. The thing is, it's expensive. It's $25 a roll of this tape. But that was the problem that I had with this truck. And we're gonna go further diagnostics after we hook everything up, and I know for sure something else is gonna pop up and tell me, hey look, this is not working, because this after treatment system was not working since New York. That's when my driver got a code. So now we gotta go look into this more, but it's a little tip for you guys. Sorry for the short video, but any questions, need help, you guys could call me, 916-385-6943. That's my personal number. I'm the tech. Thank you very much, and bye-bye.